kumustahin muna namin ang status po ngayon ng mga schools sa Davao Region pagkatapos po nitong 7.8 magnitude na lindol po, Sir Christopher?
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Annie. No? So here in Davao Region, we have a total of 109 higher education institutions. No? And out of the 109 higher education institutions, we are very happy that 98 of these 109 higher education institutions reported na no or minor or aesthetic damage lang. Pero we have to consider na meron pa ring 8 that are considered to be unsafe, no? Or have condemned yung mga structures nila considering na yun nga dahil sa malakas na lindol, no? And because of this, 67% no ng aming mga higher education institutions dito sa Davao Region have resorted to the implementation of flexible learning education, no? So meaning to say yung 7 na higher education institutions dito sa Davao ay inactivate na nila yung kanilang mga learning continuity plan na nire-require ng CHED sa umpisa pa lang ng taon. So yun ang kahalagahan ng pag-prepare, no? Kahit na sa anumang sakuna, no? Whether earthquake or any man-made, shall I say, na disruptions, Miss Annie.
Okay. Yes, thank you for that, Sir Christopher. Recap lang po, sinasabi nyo, there are 109 higher education institution. Doon sa 109 na yan, 98 reported na may aesthetic problems. 8 unsafe.
Tama po.
67% inactivate na ninyo yung learning learning activity, continuity plan
Learning
and
continuity
then
plan. Opo.
yes, flexible learning. So wala na tayong problema dito. Now, puntahan ko lang po ito very quickly. You made mention about the aesthetic na pinsala. What do you mean by this?
Ay, yun lang yung damages, no, that we deem to be not structural in nature, meaning to say yung sa walls lang, no, na nagkaroon ng mga crack and so on, and but as far as the structure is concerned, they are deemed to be safe, no, for occupancy as far as the higher education institutions are concerned, no. And with regards to the report of the office of the city building officials, no, wala namang higher education institution, at least here in Davao Region, that were deemed or declared to be unsafe, no. Unlike nung lindol noong October na talagang merong 2 o 3 higher education institutions that were declared to be unsafe, no, and naging cause yun, no, sa delay ng continuity ng kanilang learning, because we have to consider also na yung flexible learning approach kasi okay siya kapag lecture lang ang ating pinag-uusapan, pero kapag may mga laboratory classes na tulad ng mga engineering and IT programs, yun yung medyo mahirap pa, no, i-implement ng mga higher education institutions kung paano siya i-implement through flexible learning approaches.
Okay, thank you for that, Sir Christopher. Happy to learn from you that 98% ay structurally ala pong problema. Yung mga aesthetic, ibig sabihin, yung mga tinapal yan, Miss Jackie, na nagkaroon ng crack, pinaganda mo. Parang gano'n ang binabanggit ng mga engineers dyan pag gano'n ang description. So, structurally sound yung building. Out of 109 higher education institution, 98 ayos po.